Hello, I'm 𝐸𝐸 and welcome back to the Rainbow Chef Academy. Today we will be making Caesar salad with homemade Caesar dressing. Right here. Then we have some lemon and 3 cloves of garlic, some Roman lettuce right here, grated Parmesan cheese, Dijon sauce, pre-measured olive oil for half a cup, Worcestershire sauce, black pepper, chicken, and some homemade croutons. You can make this by cubing some bread and then putting it to bake in the oven for 15 minutes, mixed with garlic and olive oil. So first we're going to start with the homemade dressing, and first we are going to add half a cup of olive oil. Make sure to get it all in there. And then we are going to add half a cup of Parmesan cheese, but because it's not measured yet, we are going to be using our measuring tools to help us measure half a cup. And then we are going to squeeze this lemon into our dressing. Squeeze it all in there. Now we will be adding the 3 cloves of garlic. You can also add 2. Before we add it, we need to mince it, and you can mince it safely using the claw method. Basically, the claw method is just a tool you can use to help you safely cut food. Basically, you're going to bend the tips of your fingers a little bit. If you didn't use the claw method, you could accidentally cut yourself, but if you fold your fingers, you won't. Now, we will add Dijon sauce, Dijon mustard, and our Worcestershire sauce. 1/5. We are going to measure over it so that in case it spills, it doesn't splatter anywhere, but just goes inside our dressing. So then we're just going to hover over and over. See, I already kind of spilled. Then just put that in there. Split a lot. Put it in there. Then do that one more time because we just did 2/4. The first part of our salad is 1 head of Roman lettuce. Make sure it is thoroughly washed and thoroughly dried. You can tear it big and then tear it into smaller pieces. And now we will cut the chicken. So now that I have finished assembling my salad, I'm just going to add the black pepper to the salad and finish off the dressing by adding some yogurt into it. Just add as much black pepper as you want to your salad. So we are adding a 1/4 cup of yogurt, and then we're just going to stir it up. Our dressing seems to be stirred. And then as you pour it, don't pour it all at once, but all over. I hope you enjoyed assembling this salad as much as I did. I hope to see you next time at the Rainbow Chef Academy, when next time I will be making the green grape parfait. Bye!